Hi everyone, this is Prashakara and I'll be presenting my Arduino Blink experiment. The goal of this task is to build a simple Arduino circuit that controls LED and make them blink in a specific sequence. For my demonstration, I've extended it to a traffic light system, and this project helped me to understand how to control multiple outputs using Arduino microcontroller. So before we start, let's go through the concepts that I used, components that I used. So this is the Arduino Uno, and this is the microcontroller. Then I have used three LEDs and 3 ohm resistors, a breadboard, several jumper wires, and a USB that connects Arduino to a computer. So let me explain you about how did I wire the circuit. So I connected the red, yellow, and green LEDs to the Arduino specific points, that is 13, 12, and 11. The cathode, or the positive leg of the LEDs, connects to its corresponding pin through a 220 ohm resistor. The negative leg, or the cathode, of 3 LEDs is connected to the ground point on the Arduino. You can see this over here, the black wire. And this setup simulates how real traffic lights work. And one light turns on and on. I'll show you after I'll explain the code to you. So now I'll explain you about the code that I made. So at the top, I defined the pin numbers for each LED using constant int statements. And this makes the code easy to modify later if I have to change the pins. Inside the setup function, I use pin mode and to configure each LED pin as an output. This tells the Arduino that these pins will send electrical signals to control the LEDs. Then after, in the loop function, which runs repetitively, the program turns on the red light using digital write, and it stays for 3 seconds because it has a delay 3000. Then it turns on the red LED off, and then turns on the yellow for another 3 seconds, and then green for another 3 seconds. Then after this, the loop starts, so the light continues to cycle in the red, yellow, and green order. So now I'll show you the output. So you can already see that I've connected the USB to the Arduino port, and the Arduino port Arduino is working very well. And now you can see that it has a delay of 3 seconds. So the lights are working in red, yellow, and green order. And after this, my code is completed, and the circuit is in action right now.